Hello, this is Karen Sliwinski, and I'm back with another How Do I video. It's a short one, but it's a good tip. So this is a card that I recently made. In fact, it'll be coming out in my next video. And to do this background, I use blending brushes. So the question is, how do you clean these brushes? I do not have a brush for every color. I do tend to use some for like blues and greens and reds and pinks and oranges, but I don't have one for every color. So how do I clean these? This is what I love to do. I have a piece of paper towel and I've just folded it over. And then I love this. I don't even remember where I found this, but it is alcohol in a squirt bottle. So even if you can't find this, get a squirt bottle and fill it with alcohol. And then I spray that, and I've got my silicone mat here just so it doesn't bleed through. And then I take my brushes through and I just swirl them back and forth. Okay? So this is getting a lot of the ink off. It's still going to be stained. You're always going to have that, but it will get the bulk of it off. So next time, if I go to use this on a purple, I'm not going to get these blue tones mixing through. And I love that alcohol dries so quickly. So there, you can see that it's quite a bit of the color is off. You can see remnants of other stuff, but this is pretty good. And you can turn it over, and we'll spray it this side again. And I'm going to clean off the one that I had berry burst. And that is how I clean my brushes. I don't really wash them out entirely, but it gets the bulk of it off, and I think you're going to be really happy with that. So there is my quick tip for you. See you next time.